If you want to install WhatsApp app in Windows PC, first click the search bar and just type Microsoft Store and open this. Now just click this profile, Microsoft profile. Now just sign into any of your Microsoft account. It may be Outlook, Hotmail, Skype, Xbox account, anything. You just need one Microsoft account. If you doesn't have any Microsoft account, just create one new account here. It's completely free. I'm also using the free account. After you created the Microsoft account, click the search bar and just type WhatsApp. Yeah, here you can see WhatsApp and WhatsApp beta. For now I just open WhatsApp, and here you can see it's official WhatsApp inclusive, and just click get. So it's preparing for download. Just wait until the process was done. So now you can see it's completely installed. Just click open. Maximize this. Yeah, click get started. Now just take your phone and open the WhatsApp and click settings. Now here you can see this option linked devices. Click that. Okay, now just tap link device. Okay, just show your face ID. For me it's iPhone. So now just click OK and scan this QR code. It's done. You just need to create a name for this. I just type PC and save. So you can add up to 4 devices like this. Here you can see the WhatsApp logo, and just click this search and just type WhatsApp and right click here. Here you can add to taskbar also. If you want to add a shortcut on here, click this search and just type run run search and open this, and here just type shell : apps folder, then OK. Now here you can see the WhatsApp. So here it is. Just right click here and create shortcut. Yes. Now here you can see, if you click this,